Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Properties of enzymes. Enzymes are protein catalysts that increase the velocity of a chemical reaction and are not consumed during the reaction. It means without being changed in the overall process. Properties of enzyme includes active sites. Enzyme molecules contain a special pockets or cleft called active site. Active site contain amino acid side chains that participate in substrate binding and catalysis. The substrate binding the enzyme forming enzyme substrate complex. Binding is thought to cause a conformational change in the enzyme, leads to induced fit that allows catalyst enzyme substrate complex is converted into enzyme product complex that subsequently dissociated to give a free enzyme and product. Catalytic efficiency. Enzymes are highly efficient. Their proceeding reaction from 10 raised to power 3 to 10 raised to power 8 times faster than uncatalyzed reactions. Each enzyme have different turnover numbers. What are turnover numbers? The number of molecules of substrate converted into product per enzyme molecule per second is called a turnover number or represented by K catalyst. Each enzyme have a different turnover numbers. I repeated again the turnover number. The number of molecules of substrate converted to product per enzyme molecule per second is called turnover number or represented by K catalyst. Coenzymes and cofactors. Some of the enzymes they required molecules other than proteins. They are basically non-protein part attached with the apoenzyme to make a hollow enzyme for enzymatic activity. Cofactors, if the non-protein moieties are metalloids like zinc, copper, iron, etc., they are cofactors. Coenzymes and organic molecules were derived from a vitamin B complex, non-protein part in nature, termed coenzymes. For example, NAD, the active form of niacin, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotides, and FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide, the active form of riboflavin, they act as a coenzymes. Specificity. Enzymes are highly specific in nature. They interacting with one or few substrates and catalyzing only one type of chemical reaction. It means the enzyme which belongs to the class oxidoreductases, they perform only oxidation reduction reactions. As well as the enzymes which belongs to hydrolases, they only perform their actions even in addition of water. Now the regulation. Enzymes activity can be regulated. That is, it should be increased or decreased so that the rate of the product formation they responded according to the cellular needs. Suppose, for example, we have a regulatory enzymes for glycogen synthesis, that is glycogen synthase. Glycogen synthase exists in two forms: phosphorylated form and unphosphorylated form. Phosphorylated form of glycogen synthase is inactivated form, and the unphosphorylated of glycogen synthase is activated form. It able to in case of unphosphorylated form of glycogen synthesis. On the other hand, the degradation of glycogen, the regulatory enzyme for the degradation of glycogen is glycogen phosphorylase. This enzyme glycogen phosphorylase activated in phosphorylated form and deactivated in dephosphorylated form. It means the product formation responded to the cellular need. Location within the cells. Many enzymes are located in specific organelles within the cell. Such compartmentation serves to isolate the reaction substrate to a product for other competing reactions. This provides a favorable environment for the reaction or organelles and organizes the thousands of enzymes present in the cells into a purposeful pathways. Look at the diagram of the cell. In mitochondria, the enzymes available for TCA cycle, enzymes available for fatty acid oxidation, the place in mitochondrial matrix, enzymes for oxidation of fatty acids, as well as enzyme for oxidation of proteins. They are available in mitochondria. In cytosol, glycolysis occurs and alternate HMP pathway, hexose pathway occurs. That is the alternative pathway of carbohydrates metabolisms. And the fatty acid synthesis and the synthesis of steroids, hormones, the enzymes placed in cytosol, as well as the biosynthesis of cholesterol also occur in cytosol. Lysosomes. Degradation of lysosomes have a hydroxylases having acidic pH. They involve to degradation of complex molecules like glycolipids, glycoproteins, like lipoproteins. They all are degraded by the help of lysosomal hydrolases. Nucleus. In nucleus, DNA and RNA synthesis occurs. So the enzymes responsible to synthesize DNA and RNA, they exist in nucleus. Recommended books: Lippincott, page number 54, 55. Chatterjee, page number 121 to 122. Enlist the properties of enzymes.